The first unit, Intro to PC Hardware, covers PC components, motherboard, CPU, memory, storage, input and output devices. A computer processes input via CPU and outputs using memory, the storage. The unit covers PC components, case, power supply, motherboard, CPU, memory, adapter cards, slots, and storage, and the organization system and the administrative system. A computer is a device that processes input through the CPU and produces a set of output using memory, which is the storage. The first unit discusses PC components, the case, power supply, motherboard, CPU, memory, adapter cards, expansion slots, and storage devices. Components, the case, CPU, conversion devices, transfers, ports, cables, and input. Cases are like a box containing the computer. Horizontal cases are now uncommon. Full-size towers are still available, and compact towers are smaller. The all-in-one PC became popular. Power, cable, input. Cases come in many forms, such as the case that contains the computer in the traditional case, which is the horizontal case, and this is not available now. In the full-size tower, which was available until this moment, there is a compact tower, which is a smaller computer. Later, it became very popular, all-in-one PC. What are the parts of a computer? The most important part of a computer is the power supply, which provides electrical power to all components of the PC. Of course, we connect a group of cables to it, each cable from these countries. Each of these types connects to a device inside the computer and has a specific shape. That makes it difficult to connect it the wrong way. For example, we have the 6-pin PCI, Molex 4-pin, and 6-pin CPU. The components of the motherboard are the motherboard itself, which is the most important part of the computer. It includes the key components of the computer, such as the CPU, RAM, internal USB, chipset, BIOS, UEFI, and expansion slots. The CPU is the central processing unit, and it is considered the brain of the computer that processes data and converts it into information. There is another part of the memory that is very important for the computer, which is the ROM read-only memory. It is a memory unit only and contains the basic programs to operate the computer. RAM is another type of memory, but it is a random access memory in which programs are temporarily stored to execute these programs. When the computer is turned off, this information is disposed of, and the information is transferred from the storage unit to RAM. Next, examples of input devices include the keyboard and mouse, which are essential. The scanner, for instance, is a data input device that scans images or documents. Other input devices include the joystick, gamepad, and KVM switch. All of these are input units for the computer. The first device is anything that comes out of the computer, and the simplest example is the monitor. The projector is another output device, such as speakers, headphones, and printers. For example, the projector is another output device, as well as speakers, headphones, and printers. Thank you.